Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Our today's topic of discussion will be rivers of India. So let's start. First is Indus River System, which originates from the Kailas Range in Tibet near Mansarovar Lake, enters into Indian territory in Jammu and Kashmir, flows through Ladakh and Zanskar Range. The main tributaries are Jhelum, Beas, Chenab, Satluj and Ravi. You must know the states which the rivers flow through, because they give you the rivers and they ask you in the examination to rearrange the river according to order, from south to north, from north to south, like this. So let's see. Chenab flows through Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, Jhelum flows through Jammu Kashmir and Punjab, Beas through Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, Satluj through Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, Ravi Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. You can also see the picture for a clear understanding. Next is Brahmaputra river system, which originates from the Mansarovar lake. It enters into Arunachal Pradesh and also flows through Assam. This is also known as Dihang river in Arunachal Pradesh and Sangpo in Tibet. Bogibeel Bridge is a combined road and rail bridge which is longest in India, longest railroad bridge in India, over the which is constructed over the Brahmaputra river in Assam, and which connects Dhemaji district with Dibrugarh district, inaugurated in 2018. Ganga river system. Ganga river, which originates as Bhagirathi from Gangotri glacier. Panch Prayag is very much important in Hinduism. This is related to Ganga. We'll know this Panch Prayag. First is Vishnu Prayag. Vishnu Prayag is the place where river Alakananda meets with Dhauli Ganga. Nanda Prayag, where Alakananda meets with Mandakini. Karna Prayag, where Alakananda meets with the river Pindar. And Rudra Prayag, where Alakananda meets with Mandakini. And Dev Prayag, which is known as the birthplace of Ganga, because the name Ganga, it takes the name Ganga from this place, where Alakananda meets with Bhagirathi, and it flows as the taking the name of Ganga. This is the second largest rail cum road bridge in India. Is the Digha Sonpur bridge, which is constructed over Ganges in Bihar. The states covered by the river Ganga are Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. The main tributaries are Yamuna, Damodar, Saptakoshi, Komati, Gram Ganga, Ghagra and Son. The museum on River Ganga, Ganga Avalokan, has been opened at Chandni Ghat, Haridwar by the National Mission on Clean Ganga. They have also published a book simultaneously. The name of the book is Rowing Down the Ganges. NMCG, National Mission on Clean Ganga, was established in 2011. Namami Gange is a flagship program of the Integrated Ganga Conservation Mission to arrest the pollution of Ganges. Yamuna River System. Yamuna River originates from the Yamunotri Glacier in the lower Himalayan region of Uttarakhand. Yamuna merges with the Ganges at Triveni Sangam, Prayagraj, which is the site of Kumbh Mela. States covered by Yamuna River are Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Rajasthan. Yamuna is the largest tributary of Ganga. The tributaries of Yamuna are Betwa, Son, Ken, and Chambal. Narmada River System. Narmada River flows through central India, originates from the Amarkantak Hill in Madhya Pradesh, flows through Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Narmada, Tapti, and Mahi are the only three rivers which flows from east to west. Tapti River flows to the south of the Narmada River, originates from the Satpura range of Madhya Pradesh. Godavari River System. Godavari River is also referred as Dakshin Ganga. This is a seasonal river. This is full of water in the monsoon season and totally dries up in summer. The origin of Godavari River is Triambakeshwar near Nasik in Maharashtra. Flows to the southeast and covers Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Orissa. This is the third longest rail cum road bridge is constructed on the Godavari River. This is known as Godavari Bridge, which connects Kovur to Rajamundry. Krishna River System originates from Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra, covers the states Maharashtra, Telangana, and Karnataka. Tungabhadra is the main tributary of Krishna River. The World Heritage Site Hampi is situated on the bank of Tungabhadra. Kaveri River System originates from Tal Kaveri, Western Ghat, Karnataka, flows through Karnataka and Telangana. Mahanadi River System originates at Shihawa in Chhattisgarh, flows through Odisha and Chhattisgarh, famous for Hirakud Dam. Luni River is an important river which flows through the desert. This is also known as Sagarmati River, originates in the Pushkar Valley of Aravalli range near Ajmer and ends in the Run of Kutch. Gandikota, which is known as Grand Canyon of India and a famous adventure tourism destination located in Andhra Pradesh. The gorge of Gandikota has been formed by the river Penna. Madhya Pradesh is famous for the marble rocks of Bedaghat, which is enjoyed floating through the river of Narmada. Mandovi or Mahadei is the river which is known as lifeline of Goa and famous for the cruise activities. Kumbh Mela is celebrated on the Ganga at Haridwar, at Ujjain on the river bank of Shipra, at Nasik on the Godavari, at Prayagraj at the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. So these are some related information regarding the importance of river in the Indian tourism. I have also put a picture of all the main rivers of India. You must know the locations properly. As I said, they ask you to reorder the river from north to south or south to north. So you must see these locations once. I am ending my video here. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also let me know if you have any topic in your mind which you think that I must discuss.